Hi, my name's Brenda Sheridan, and I'm your instructor for the class called Social Media Strategies. This class runs 4 weeks. It's completely online. I look forward to meeting each one of you, learning about your background, where you are in your career right now, whether you come from the military or you're a career changer, or if you've already had a lot of experience in social media and you're just wanting to add a quick class to your resume. We're going to have a lot of fun together. We're going to do a lot of projects and we're going to get to know each other. My background is I've been in higher education for the last 25 years as an instructor, teaching speech and communication classes and running internship programs and summer programs as well. But my primary job is as Director of Communications for the School of Communication Information at Rutgers University, and that's where I am now. Before that, I was at Drexel University in Philadelphia, PA for about 11 years, basically in the same role. And I can tell you over the last 15 years, social media has really exploded in the environment. Everyone uses social media. They have different goals and they have different audiences. And we're going to sort all that out and make it really applicable to what the work you're doing or the work you hope to be doing. So welcome to the class, and I look forward to seeing you online very soon.